Alright guys, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. My name is Lavinia. Thank you guys for joining me. So today we have a collaboration with the wonderful, bubbly, I absolutely love her spirit, I love her laugh, Deondrea Walker here on YouTube. So you guys, please make sure you check her out. She does beauty, as you can see. She does hauls, she shops, she does it all, you guys. So please check her out. So for this collaboration, I actually invited Deondrea because I wanted to challenge myself. I saw quite a few people voicing their opinions about the CoverFX palette that was in the last Boxycharm box. So I wanted to challenge myself to see what I could come up using, in particular this palette, but also the other things in the March Boxycharm. So you guys, please stay tuned for the video and let me know what you think. Stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now.
Alright guys, happy morning. So of course I'm going to start off with my favorite lip moisturizer, that is the Ruby Kisses lip oil. So I'm just going to apply that, get my lips moisturized. I like moisturizing my lips before I start on anything. Okay, then I'm going to go in my Dickinson's Witch Hazel exfoliating pads. If you guys haven't seen my video, they sent me a big bag of stuff. I love these exfoliating pads. And then I'm going in with my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. And I'm going to follow up with my Advanced Night Repair Eye Matrix, also by Estee Lauder. This helped with my fine lines and my dark circles around my eyes. So I really love those two items. And then I am going in with my Multi-Effects Lifting Moisturizer. So this moisturizer lifts your skin, gives you a boost, keeps you nice and hydrated throughout the day. Being a Beauty Over 40, I want to lift as much as I can. And this product is going to do that for my skin. So I'm just applying that all over. And once I'm done with that, I'm going in with my favorite primer at the moment. That is the No Problem Primer that I've also received in the Boxycharm box. Alright, I'm just pressing it into my pores, my fine lines, my wrinkles. I really love this primer. It's really, it really smooths out my foundation and make it look really flawless. Okay, so I'm going in with my Lancôme Tint Idole foundation in color 460. Okay, and those are my Moda brushes from March Boxycharm. I really like this brush. It really blends foundation out really good. Okay, so I'm just blending that all over my face. And that was just a couple pumps of foundation. Alright, so after I get that blended in, then I'm going in. I'm still using this sample of the Lancôme Tint Idole Camo Concealer. I really like it. It's really full coverage. If you have any shading or anything like that underneath your eyes, it totally cancels it out. You don't need a corrector. Okay. Alright, so I like to let that concealer sit on there for a little bit. So then I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Freedom eyeshadow primer. My first layer of primer. You guys know I like to lay that down and then just brush it through my brows as a primer for my brows. So then after that, I'm going to go in, which I have depotted. This is the NYX Brow Gel and Espresso. Then I'm just going to take my sponge and press that concealer in. Just going to push that into my skin. You guys, the more coverage you want, you always want to press or pack. That's even with eyeshadow or even anything on your face. So I'm just pressing that in. Then I'm going to follow up with my 16-Hour Wear Camo Concealer by e.l.f. I'm using that as a bronzer, as a contour, just blending that in really good. Just trying to get that blended in. I also like to bring some of that that contour color up to my highlight just to blend them in between. Okay, and I'm just taking my foundation brush and pressing that in. And then I'm taking my, which powder is this? I think it's the Pretty Vulgar Powder Room Powder, and I'm just pressing that in. Okay, and I'm carving out my contour with that. Okay, then I'm just blending my highlight and my contour together. All right, here we go with the palette. The light to medium palette that so many people didn't like. I just put on a little bit of that pink blush that's in the palette. Okay, and then I'm going in with one of the highlighting colors with my Moda brush. That highlighting color is, it just says highlighter, but you guys see which one I'm using there at the top left. It's really nice. It's not like in your face highlighter, but it's really nice for a natural look. I like to highlight my Cupid's bow as well, and I'm going in with that finishing powder with another one of my Moda brushes. I'm just going to swipe that underneath my eyes just to brighten. That color does have a little shimmer in it, which is fine for me. I do like just a little bit of glow underneath my eyes. Okay, and then I'm going in with that was my Morphe concealer. Okay, and I'm just pressing that in my eyes as a base. Okay, so we're using that concealer as a primer, and then I'm going to go in with my Pretty Vulgar. I'm using that as my transition color. This also came in a Boxycharm box. I can't remember which month it was. I think it was January. I'm just using that as a transition color in my crease. Okay, and I'm following up with the Black Radiance Contour Palette, the darkest shade in there, and I'm using that just to define my eyes a little bit. Okay, so I'm just blending that in, adding some dimension to my crease. Okay, and I'm also using that underneath my lash line, and I'm going in with my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and this is the lightest color they have available. I'm just etching out my half cut crease. Alright, so after we have that etched out, I'm going back in with the darkest color in the Black Radiance palette, the contour color, and I'm just overlapping that color with the edge of my cut crease. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the color in the CoverFX palette that says Contour, and I'm just packing that on my lid. It's a nice neutral brown color. Okay, I'm just packing that on my lid, trying to get as close to the edge as I can. And then I'm going to take the brightener that's in the top center. I'm going to add that in my inner corner. It's really pretty. Okay, so I'm just packing that on my inner corner. It's really nice. I like it. Okay, I'm going in with my favorite Wet n Wild liner, the Mega Liner. I want to line my eyes. Alright, so after we are done with liner, I'm going to go in with my Manna Kadar Bloom Mascara that also came in the Boxycharm box for March. Okay, I'm just coating my lashes really good. The brush on this was a little different for me. I'll definitely have to get used to it. I found it transferring a lot. It's not bad though. It's not my favorite, but okay. And then I'm going in with my lashes. Okay, so we're just going to apply our lashes. Alright, and then we are going to go in with the Ofra lip color that came in the March Boxycharm. The color is Ofra Rose. Alright guys, so that is my tutorial, my challenge for myself using the March Boxycharm product. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys will go back and try to use this palette. I know a lot of people say they didn't like this palette, so I hope this video helped you guys. Please be sure to check out Deondrea's look. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, turn on post notifications, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.